In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fog light assemblies on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located in the inner fender well. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take these lug bolts out. And before you take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel. Take that out, then grab the wheel and pull it off. Now we're going to take this nut off, use a 10mm socket. Take that off. Up top, you're going to take these screws out, use a 8mm socket. There's another one right here. And down here. Those out. There should be another screw right here. It's missing on this vehicle. You want to take that out. Same 8mm socket. Now underneath, we're going to take these screws out. Use a 8mm socket. And there might be another one right there. Take those out. And I'm just going to use a trim tool. There's a clip right there. Pop that out. Grab the inner fender liner, pull it out, and we'll just pull it down. There is a control unit right here. Now we'll disconnect this connector. There's a tab on the side here. Just push on that tab, slide it off if you need to. Just use a pocket screwdriver, slide that off. Take the inner fender well out. Now disconnect the connector, just push on the tabs on the side. Disconnect the connector, and then there's a retainer on the side here. Just pull that off. You're going to have two screws on this side. We're going to use a 8mm socket. Take those screws out. Take those out, and there's another screw right here, same 8mm socket. Loosen that up, take that out. Just make sure you hold the fog light as you're doing this. And it comes right out. Now take the housing, get this lined up. Two of the bolts, get those started over here. And behind these wires, get that other bolt started. Now we can tighten this down, snug that down, and over here, tighten these down. Snug that down, and the other one. Snug that down. Now take the retainer, attach that to the bracket, take the connector, line it up, lock it in place. And take the inner fender liner, get it close, connect the tire sensor. Now take the connector, connect the tire pressure module, get that lined up, lock that in. There we go, that's locked in. This lined up. Now take the screws underneath, get these started. And if you had another one right there, put that in and snug these down. Now put these screws in, snug those down. If you have a screw that goes there, you want to put that one in for that air duct. And put these screws in. Snug those down. And the nut that goes right there. Snug that down. And put the wheel on. Get that lined up. Put the lug stud in. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 80 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.